Hi, it's Jocelyn, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. Today I'm here to give you your real estate minute. We're going to be talking about why it's still a seller's market, and then we're going to get into what's going on in the Northern New Jersey real estate market. So today, why is it still a seller's market? Well, it's due to the low supply and the very high demand. Today is one of the strongest seller's market ever. So if you're thinking of selling, I'm going to give you a couple of things that are happening of why it's a seller's market and why you should really be taking advantage of it. So the first thing is, let's talk about the difference between a buyer's market and a seller's market. So in a buyer's market, you can see on this chart right here that you have over 7 months of supply. That means you have 7 months worth of inventory on the market. A neutral market is about 6 to 7 months, and anything under 6 months means the seller's market. But look where we're at today. We have 1.7 months of inventory. So it's really a seller's market at this time. Why? 72% of sellers believe it is a great time to sell their home. Also, the seller is getting a lot of benefits. There's 4.8 offers per home on a national average. Home prices are up 19.1% since last year. And you have a fast sales process with the average days on market on a national level is only 18 days in February of this year. So things are moving fast and sellers are taking advantage of that. So let's look at the Northern New Jersey real estate market. This week we had 153 new homes came on the market, 111 homes went under contract, and 67 homes sold this week with an average sales price of $571,000 with an average list price of $527,000. It's a big difference. And average days on market is about 32. So that's this week's real estate minutes. If you are looking to sell your home in the near future, take advantage of this market. We don't know how long it's gonna last. We'll see you next week, and remember, who you work with matters. Talk to you soon. Did you enjoy this video? Well, if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, share it with a friend, and click this link right here. That'll take you to a playlist with a bunch of more informational videos for you and your family. We'll talk to you soon.